Okay, so we're gonna do a small driving video because there's a new bridge. And you can see this right here. It says Coloane and airport and then Taipa Central. So we're gonna follow the Coloane sign and you can see the new bridge that just opened up. So stay tuned for that. And you can also see, I'll move the camera over here so you can see what's happening over here as well. They're also doing a lot of new things, but I'm not even sure what it is, but there's a boardwalk over there. And and then now you can see this kind of mess of bridges right here. So the left one goes over towards the airport, and then this one just moved over to Coloane. There was a fork in the road. And now you can see this bridge goes down here, and now we're going to go directly into towards Coloane, Galaxy and such. So anyways, kind of a short, small little video, but at least you can see that there's a new bridge and it's ready and it's built and it's done. And there's Galaxy Casino. All right. And if you keep on going all the way down, you get all the way down to Coloane beaches where there's hiking trails, 2 beaches, Haksa and Chokvan Beach, and the University of Macau is down here too.